Hi, this is Jill Ciminillo with the Sinclair Broadcast Group, and today we've been chasing the rain in Idaho in the 2020 Hyundai Palisade. And overall, I've had a really good time driving this vehicle. Even though we hit some construction and we drove on a lot of gravel roads, we had plenty of highway driving that really accentuated how well this vehicle does with acceleration and merging with traffic, and how comfortable it is to drive in multiple situations. So what do you need to know about the 2020 Palisade? It's equipped with a 3.8-liter V6 engine. It delivers 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. Additionally, there's a lot of really great technology on here. And one of my favorite features is a blind spot display that actually shows up on the behind-the-wheel gauges in the available 12.3 TFT display. It's really cool. I also like the fact that Apple CarPlay is standard. Now, as a petite driver, I thought this vehicle was very comfortable. The seats were comfortable, I got a really good driving position, and all around, everything was easy to reach. I think it's important to note, I'm about 5 feet tall. Also, I want to point out that the third row is not a penalty box. And it's really easy to get back there. You just push one button, and away you go. Once you're in the back seat, plenty of legroom, USB ports, cup holders, everything you need to be comfortable for a moderate drive. All around, I think Hyundai's done a really good job with this vehicle, and I really can't wait to see them on the road soon.